The ethos of exercising has been prevailed recently, and coupled with the impact of the epidemic, has caused more to join cycling. But bicycles are not only exercise or sport, but also a daily transportation. Therefore, you must not be sloppy in terms of safety and need to maintain your bike periodically. There are all sorts of screws and nuts with all sizes on a bike. Some of them might have been loosened after being long used and frequent vibrations. Yet, screws themselves and their counterparts might be damaged easily if you overfix them, which may bring safety concern. To respond to the trend of cycling, William Tools had developed and launched a new torque screwdriver set, the Hex Torque Screwdriver, to satisfy the demand of the bikers. Now, let's check it out and have a closer look. The profile of this new screwdriver is slender. It is about the size of a common ballpoint, making it very easy to carry. It has a unique hexagonal outline design and neural surface finishing, provides a better force point and anti-slip feature, make it easier to use. In addition, generally, it will be very difficult to accurately perform the exact torque value we set through the muscle memory while we operate a torque screwdriver with small torque range. The structural feature of the hex torque is that it will make a clear and noticeable sound and spin idly when it reaches its set torque peak and prevent the user from overforce. The way to adjust the torque is also quite simple and intuitive. All you need is to pull out and rotate the knob on the end of a wrench and align the arrow mark on the main body to the corresponding torque value to complete the torque setting. Generally speaking, its overall operating experience is very rapid and simple. Moreover, each screw and nuts has their corresponding torque value. You should fasten them with their corresponding torque value to maintain good park condition and ensure safety while riding. Concerning about the safety of the consumers, various major bicycle brands has instructions manuals provided with their bikes sold, in which we have the appropriate torque value for all fasteners written in it, such as those for the stem, seat cushion, bottle holders, and etc. An hex torque screwdriver not only meets the relevant specification of a torque screwdriver, its 1 to 5 Nm torque range also can satisfy the torque value in the demand of your daily life and bikes. Moreover, aside from a bicycle, it is also suitable for your daily demands. For example, computer repairing, 3C products, glasses frames, etc., which allows us to check the safeness of the equipment at any time. The Hexco screwdriver is a very lightweight torque screwdriver that is portable and can be either hand carried with you in your pocket, bags, bike pouch, or in your trunk, etc. Its small size won't take up too many spaces. Its easy carry and rapid adjustment design can offer you the first-hand assistance you need to solve any emergency issues rapid without worry. Hex Torque Screwdriver, your best outdoor partners always.